shows anytime driving, drama building and picked.
New body.
Returns at 59 yards to set up the Atlanta Falcons in field goal range. They make the kick to go up 19-10.
Oh, you're trying to
Wow,
fix it?
back view.
The watch party in Tampa Bay is not going that well right now.
No, might be turning more into a packing party.
Colts are driving here. First down at the 12. Give is to Gibbons, and he'll get a yard. Running up the gut. And this is one saying maybe that would affect the No, literally, even if you get the pass,
All of a sudden people are buying hash browns?
No. I mean, I don't care that the Steelers are waving little yellow napkins. Of course not.
So I was gonna go here,
Packer fans
and
dressed
go
up
up,
in blue jeans.
there we
I
go.
don't care that Baker Mayfield's name sounds like
Right
a phone
here,
to
I was gonna
croissant
do
shop.
GOA, and it was gonna give me this double word, this double word, and this.
Oh, you're
So I
gonna
was
do
gonna get double word and two
But
different
how do you
words.
like this?
You gotta put like the three minutes.
Got it all locked in.
I wanna get rid of my deep
Yeah.
color sheet.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Started in 1975.
Right?
The clock's still ticking.
What is your phone?
10, 12, and 3.
Of military.
At Burger King, you are a little bit of value. At Burger King, you are a little bit of value.
Everyone gets
Like an ass, no one beats her.
So get exactly what you
Yeah.
want and
I can finish
everyone. But the
right now.
$7 trio.
Okay, if y'all don't catch me up.
These are special.
Well,
Prices
where are you
get
gonna
longer
go?
seal on the 6%
And I know you're
Tell.
trying.
Time to tell.
right now.
I haven't been able to get there because now we can't work off of it.
You're in a blender.
and 4 lines for $25 a line.
NFL on CBS is sponsored by
Catch me up. That's all I got to
Healthy
say.
food fresh from the fridge. And by Uber Eats. When football makes you hungry, order Uber Eats.
Here's the sad part.
Yeah, good pregame workout. J.J. Watt, along with Brooke Weiss and Charlie Mazzano and Andy LaPusnet, Matt Quartararo, our crew. How'd you feel?
They said as many as you can, and I was like, guys, we have a game to call. Others playing tonight. I don't have all day.
Mills with the throw. And a
Oh,
catch
sorry.
made extra yards after the grab by Hutchinson.
Ready first to go.
Great design coming out of the 2-minute warning where you know they went over there and talked exactly
Huh?
about what they wanted to do on this play.
I don't
And they
think so.
dialed up a winner to get them into Colts territory.
So the Colts take a timeout.
Did you go in our room?
Hutchinson with